Welcome to our 80s life. If you love the 80s, you come to the right place.
The place behind us was built in 1981. It's time for our annual construction update of Collin Creek Mall.
A little over 2 years ago, we brought you here to say goodbye.
Yeah, we attended the Collin Creek farewell party and they closed down the mall. And since then, they've been working on this massive construction project to take most of it down, leave this central corridor, and they're gonna plan on developing all kinds of shops, restaurants, hotels, you name it. It's gonna be a big boon for this area, but it looks like it's slow progress. It's been 2 years since they broke ground on this project.
It's been 1 year since we last flew our drone over the mall, so let's get the drone up again and see what's changed.